I want to share with you a simple practice for when you have negative emotions that are rising in your body. This is rooted in parts work, and it has been very effective for me in naming and releasing a lot of that stored energy. So when you are triggered, you're triggered from the outside, you might feel angry, you might feel a surge of emotion. And what you need to do is stop. Place your hand on your heart. And this is a bit esoteric, but begin breathing into your heart. What it does is it takes your awareness out of your mind, the swirling thoughts, down into your body. And you become aware of what's happening within your body. And then you name it. And what you do is you put your hand on your heart and you say, I'm noticing anger. I'm noticing fear. I'm noticing sadness. And you sit with it and you stay there. And then feel in your body. Where are you feeling that? Is it in your stomach? Is it in your arms? In your throat? I often will feel anger like rising in my shoulder and in my chest. And then you tell yourself, you become the loving parent. I'm here with you. Because what this is this is a young part of you that's feeling something deep down and needs to be sat with. And so we become our own inner loving parent. Just as you would for a child that hurt themselves, you would sit there and you would allow the emotion to rise and fall and allow it to go through your body. And the emotion is an energy. It wants to move through your body. And our work is to sit with it, to stay there, to be with it, just as a part. It's a young part of us. And often the emotion from the trigger is covering, it's showing us that there is a primary wound somewhere within us. And it's at that young part of us. This is parts work. And as you stay with that part of you and you remind yourself, I'm here with you, you can speak, you can release, you stay with it. And that is what feeling is. When we hear things like you have to feel it to heal it, it is the practice of being with that energy when it's coming through your body. And as you do, it will move out and you will get grounded again as it passes through. And then what you can do is you can name what you need. And you can tell yourself, I'm here. I will take care of you. I will protect you. I will give you what you always needed. And then you can come in and meet the need. You can name the desire, and then you can move into action. And that's just how you can do to move through that energy and release the stored negative emotion.